fantastic opportunity to live in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Stuart. Solid CBS home with metal roof, 2 master suites, pool, and spa on a large 0.65-acre lot. Open floor plan with polished terrazzo flooring throughout and wood plank tile in the recent addition. This sought-after community known as Snug Harbor offers a private protected marina with ocean access, boat ramp, and additional dry boat storage. Other amenities include spacious waterfront clubhouse, tennis, pickleball, playground, and park. Centrally located between the Treasure Coast's finest beaches and historic downtown Stuart with excellent restaurants and entertainment. Welcome home and get comfy in Snug Harbor.